Hello everyone. Welcome to this video on Polar Chart Report item. Before getting into this video, let me give a small introduction about the polar chart. The polar chart visualizes data in terms of values and angles. It provides options for visual comparison between several quantitative or qualitative aspects of a situation. In this video, we will see how to add a polar chart to an RDL report and how to change its properties. First, let's create a new report. Create a new report, and name it Polar Chart. You can learn how to create your first report from the link provided in this video's description. Then, create a dataset to assign data to the chart. Create a new data source, name it Temperature Details using JSON Data Connector. And click the Connect button to create a new dataset. Name it Temperature Dataset. And click the Finish button. A dataset is created. I have provided the video link for creating a data source and dataset using JSON Data Connector, and the documentation link for the JSON query in this video's description. Now, let's add the polar chart to the report. Drag and drop the polar chart from the item panel to the designer's surface. You will also see the properties displayed. The name field represents the name of the polar chart. The properties are divided into 13 categories based on its usage. You can also change the size of the polar chart by extending it using the corners and by dragging the points at the center. I resize the chart based on my requirement. Now let's assign data to the polar chart. To assign data, click Data in the Properties panel. The Data panel will open, and you will see fields in the dataset displayed. If you have multiple datasets, you can select the dataset you require by using the Dataset dropdown. The numeric columns and numeric expressions are listed in the Measures section. And the remaining types of expressions and dimensions are listed in the Dimensions section. Drag and drop the Celsius field from the Measures section to the Y-value section. By default, the sum aggregate function will be applied to the expression. You can change the aggregate function by clicking the Settings button. The context menu will be displayed. Click the Aggregate option, and the list of aggregate methods will be displayed. You can also change the aggregate function using the expression option. Click the Preview button. You will see the polar chart with the Celsius value. Click the Design button to continue. Then I drag and drop the month field from the Dimensions section to the Column section. In Preview, you will see the polar chart with the Celsius value for each month. You can also group the fields by adding the fields in the Rows section. I drag and drop the Country field from the Dimensions section to the Rows section. While assigning each field, the chart will be refreshed in the Design area. In Preview, you will see the polar chart with the Celsius values grouped based on the country for each month. Now let's format the polar chart. To format the polar chart, click Properties. The Property panel will be displayed. Under the Basic Settings, click the icon next to the Choose Series. Under the Marker settings, enable Show Marker. Change the size to 4 pixels. Click the Preview button. When hovering the marker, you will see month and temperature. Click the Design button to continue. Click the Back button. Under the Appearance category, I changed the border style to double. Color to black. Thickness to 1.833. In the chart area category, I select the chart palette property fire. Under the title category, I enter Weather Statistics of Russia. And you will see the chart title change to the text entered. Under the Node Data category, I enter node data to display. Under the Miscellaneous category, I set the tooltip value to Weather Statistics of Russia. Click the Preview button. The polar chart is rendered in the Report Viewer control. When hovering over the polar chart, you will see the text entered in the tooltip property displayed. In this video, I showed you how to add the polar chart report item to the Report Designer control, and how it is rendered in the Report Viewer control while previewing it. We have also planned another video that explains each property available in the chart report item. Stay tuned to this channel for our upcoming videos on bold reports. Don't forget to click the like button and subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you next time.